Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 1st, 2025, and we're diving into AMH's second quarter earnings report. AMH, a leading owner and operator of single-family rental homes, has just released their financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss AMH's performance this quarter. They've shown some interesting developments, especially in their rental revenue and operational efficiencies.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AMH reported a revenue of $457.5 million for the second quarter of 2025, marking an 8% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by an increase in their average occupied portfolio, which grew to 58,282 homes, and higher rental rates. This indicates strong demand for their single-family rental homes, which is a positive sign for their business model.
And how does this translate into profitability?
AMH's net income attributable to common shareholders was $105.6 million, or 2/8 per diluted share, up from $92.1 million, or 25 per share, last year. This improvement is largely due to increased rental revenues, outpacing the rise in expenses and gains from property sales.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. AMH has also reported improvements in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their core NOI and same-home core NOI performance?
Sure, core net operating income from their total portfolio increased by 8.7% to $264.1 million, driven by higher core revenues and efficient cost management. For their same-home properties, core NOI grew by 4.1%, reflecting effective lease management and cost control.
They've also raised their full-year guidance. What does this indicate about their future outlook?
AMH has increased their full-year Core FFO guidance midpoint to $1.86 per share, representing a 5.1% growth over the prior year. This upward revision is based on strong leasing performance and a favorable outlook on property tax expenses, which bodes well for their future profitability.
Financial strategy and capital activities. Let's talk about AMH's financial strategy. They've issued $650 million in senior notes. How does this fit into their overall financial strategy?
The issuance of $650 million in 4.95% unsecured senior notes due 2030 is part of AMH's strategy to secure long-term financing at favorable rates. This move enhances their liquidity position, allowing them to invest in growth opportunities while managing their debt profile effectively.
And what about their current liquidity and debt situation?
As of June 30th, 2025, AMH had $323.3 million in cash and cash equivalents, with total outstanding debt of $5.2 billion. Importantly, they have no outstanding borrowings on their $1.25 billion revolving credit facility, which provides them with significant financial flexibility.
Key takeaways. In summary, AMH has delivered a solid performance in the second quarter of 2025, with strong revenue growth and improved profitability. They've also raised their full-year guidance, reflecting confidence in their operational strategy. John, any final thoughts on AMH's investment prospects?
AMH's focus on operational excellence and strategic financial management positions them well for future growth. Their ability to increase rental revenues and manage costs effectively makes them an attractive option for investors looking for exposure in the single-family rental market.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AMH's performance in the comments below. Until next time.